Why do some brands explode, while others spend money on marketing and get nothing back? It is not luck. It is not just creativity. It is marketing management, the system that decides whether a business grows or disappears. In the next few minutes, I will break down marketing management in the simplest way possible. And by the end, you will understand how companies actually win customers. Most people think marketing is just posting ads, making reels, or running campaigns. That is only the surface. Real marketing management is about answering 4 critical questions. Who are we targeting? What do they actually want? How do we position ourselves better than competitors? And how do we make sure every marketing rupee works harder? Without this, businesses do one of 2 things. They either market to everyone and connect with no one, or they spend heavily and still do not convert. Marketing management is the process of planning, organizing, executing, and controlling marketing activities to achieve business goals. That sounds academic, but here is the real-world version. A company first studies the market. Then it chooses the right customers. Then it builds the right offer. Then it promotes that offer through the right channels. Then it measures results and improves. Simple framework. Think of marketing management like a 5-step engine. 1. Research. Know the customer, their needs, pain points, habits, and buying behavior. 2. Segmentation. Split the market into groups. Not everyone wants the same thing. 3. Targeting. Choose the group you can serve best. 4. Positioning. Decide how people should remember your brand. 5. Control. Track results. Learn fast and improve. Here is where most brands fail. They skip research. They guess the customer. They copy competitors. They make random content. Then they blame the market when sales are weak. But strong marketing management removes guesswork. It turns marketing from an expense into a growth system. Example: imagine 2 coffee brands. Brand A says, "We sell coffee." Brand B says, "We sell premium office coffee for tired professionals who need focus." Brand A is vague. Brand B knows exactly who it is talking to, what problem it solves, and why it matters. That is marketing management in action. So the real job of marketing management is not just promotion. It is understanding the customer, building value, creating the right message, choosing the right channel, and improving performance over time. That is how brands grow sustainably. If this made marketing management feel simpler, subscribe for more business and MBA-friendly content like this. And comment, "Marketing," if you want a second video on brand strategy, consumer behavior, or the 4 Ps with real examples.